wrapped up early. It was a great night.
I saw your shirt.
Oh, yeah. What?
I saw your shirt on Instagram. Nice.
Why's your phone up?
Dan and I went in on our present for you. It's in the red box.
This is from me and your mom.
The big one?
Merry Christmas to you, Jenna.
It's gentle though.
This is from me and your mom.
Oh, wait, why is it moving?
What?
No, just pick it up.
They're puppies! They're puppies! Oh my gosh! They're so cute!
There you are.
Where did you get these?
Couple places.
Oh, are these mine?
Yes.
They're mine?
Yes. You get 2 puppies. Yeah.
You want to hold one?
Yeah.
Pick which one you want to hold. This is Samson.
Samson?
This is Stella.
Samson and Stella.
Yeah.
Where'd you get them?
A couple of different places.
We have
Friends?
our ways.
Yeah, actually. Yeah.
Samson and Stella.
Samson and Stella.
I'm gonna call her Sam for short.
Okay.
Hi.
They're both babies.
How old are they?
Stella is 9 weeks, and Samson is 8 weeks.
They're adorable.
So this
aren't
one's
they?
older than that one?
Yeah, can you believe it?
Yeah, I can't believe. Look at this cute little Santa thing.
She doesn't love it, but I put
Look,
it on
This
right.
is the best Christmas present ever. When did you get them?
I got them yesterday, kind
Where'd
of.
you keep them?
Friends' houses.
Aww.
So that's Stella. And this is Samson. Here's Samson. Come on, buddy. Gosh, the camera's very dark.
Did you know about this?
Yeah, of course. Me and your mom planned it for a while.
How long have you planned this?
Probably about a month.
Yeah, about a month.
Careful with her. She's little. And they just met today, so they are.
So they're not brother and sister?
Nope, they're not brother and sister.
Well, they are now.
They are now. And and Daisy's been okay with them, believe it or not.
Daisy has been?
Daisy's been okay with them.
Well, Daisy's a cock. Man, this is awesome.
Yeah. They're really good.
I'm so happy for you.
You
and your mom, we were so excited.
At first I thought you might be getting me a dog, but then you talked me so much into that you weren't getting
Well,
me.
I was wondering how much you were snooping because I got all their little dog stuff stashed away.
I promise I didn't snoop, Mom.
You had no clue.
Well, I know you snooped, but did you find anything when you snooped?
No.
Okay.
Wait, Mom. Wait, what kind are they?
Well, grab one of them, and I'll give you each of their stories.
I'll grab you Samson.
Samson is Samson. I actually showed you pictures of these dogs the other day.
You did?
Do you remember when you and Evelyn and Emerald?
Those were them?
Yes, they were.
You had me totally fooled.
Good.
And I had pictures on my phone, and that's why I made sure I was always hiding my phone and deleting it. And I was afraid
Yes.
you were gonna be looking through my phone.
That's why I've been a little bit extra stressed lately because I'm trying to keep this secret.
Are they good? Like trainers?
We'll work on it. They're young. Samson is half German Shepherd, half Golden Retriever.
I can see the German Shepherd in here.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
And half Golden Retriever.
And what is this one?
This is funny. Stella, Patty Raker, Sam loves Stella.
Was it their dog?
No, they kept Stella for us last night. When I kept going to Walgreens, I never went to Walgreens. I was going back and forth with all these puppies. Stella is called...
Is that where you went for 45 minutes?
Yeah. When you kept texting me saying, where are you? I was getting Samson. I already had Stella.
I love you guys.
Stella is called a Chiweenie.
A Chiweenie?
Yeah, she's half Chihuahua and half Dachshund, which is a weenie dog.
Now, where's my cat, too?
The cat's just doing her own thing. She's
The
just,
cat will have to adjust.
The cat's just
They'll
getting
be
through.
fine together.
Oh man, this is the best present so far tonight.
so far, night was so
Yeah, well, this is your big
gift, babe.
This is your big gift from me, your mom and I.
We knew we wanted Samson, but we tried to get Samson probably a while ago, weeks ago,
They're so playful.
and we didn't know if we are gonna get him.
How big are
So,
they gonna
well,
get?
we were gonna get.
Oh, they got off the sanitary.
We were gonna get Samson, and then we weren't sure if we were gonna be able to, so we got Stella.
We got
and-
Stella,
and
'cause
we
we-
ended up getting two. We were only
We
gonna
knew
get
we
you
could
one.
get Stella for sure. So I got Stella last Saturday. And then on Monday, the people for Samson called and said, hey, you've been approved. He wants to come up.
So we decided to give you both.
Thank you.
They're really, you know what, they'll be good. It'll be good to have them grow up together because they're the same
I gotta
age.
take a picture.
It'll be a lot of work for you and me. And make sure you take her off the couch because she'll,
Jump and
Yeah.
get herself hurt.
yeah,
So I can't believe that Stella's older than
I
Samson.
know. They're really, really good.
So
They fought a little bit, like siblings will.
It looks
back
like they're getting
home.
along fine now.
Yeah. And both of their cages are in my room because they're supposed to sleep like close to you so they can smell you for the first couple weeks, and then we can put them in the black room. That's why I cleaned up the black room.
Guys,
They don't know their names yet either, so we'll have to work on that. You know what, Jenna? Dad and I decided this when we saw what great care you took of
Shadow.
Shadow. And you let Shadow go to a new room without a lot of tears, and you took care of him.
We're very proud of you.
And yeah, you gotta take care of these two now, right?
yes, I'll take great care of them.
I know you will. I know you will. You're gonna start from the beginning for these. You've never
Yes,
really.
that's what I like.
You've never had a dog from the beginning. You think they're
Check
cute?
my Instagram
Do you think
story.
they're cute?
Oh man, they're adorable.
Are you gonna be able to sleep tonight?
No, I'm gonna stay up with them all night.
Well, they're ready. I've been keeping them up all night, so they're gonna be ready to sleep in a little bit.
They're not showing
Pick
it.
up Samson.
He's adorable.
Yeah, so
So
we
soft.
have 4 different breeds. We've got a Chihuahua, a Dachshund, a weenie dog,
Which is
a Golden Retriever, and a German Shepherd. I'm trying to keep them all straight. Merry Christmas, babe.
Merry Christmas, Gibbs.
Thank you.